I'm Jeanette, and I'm here with Die Cutting Essentials editor Kirsty McCrum. Hi, Kirsty.
Hi, Jeanette. How are you doing?
I'm good. You all right?
I'm great, thank you.
Good. We are going to talk about the Die Cutting Essentials Special Edition Box Kit 8, which is here, and it's beautiful.
It is a thing of beauty.
Thing of beauty. It is. So we want to open this up and show everybody what's inside because it's jam-packed.
I know. Well, this is my first unboxing, so I'm very excited to see it.
I want you to do the honors.
Oh, me?
Yeah,
Really?
Just pull out the stuff and tell us more about it.
Amazing. Okay, so the point of the box kits is that you kind of get everything that you need along with your normal stash of glues and things to be able to create the cards. So whenever you open it up, you've got all of these lovely goodies.
First up is the die set.
So it's a globe die set, and it's also got some flowers and leaves and stuff on there. So there are lots and lots of different things that we'll show you that you can do with those. And we've got an embossing folder with the around the world theme of this box kit. We've got a really cool map. It makes me think of retro kind of style. Yeah, I love it. I love it. And then we've got 28 stamp set with lots of different things. And again, you've got your world, you've got sentiments, and you've got your florals in there. So there's lots and lots of different things to do.
And the globe stamp here coordinates with the die.
Absolutely,
yes.
You spotted it. Yeah. So again, there's some of our designers have done some lovely things with that. And you've got some really, really great family sentiments, which I like. So you've just got mum, daughter, son, things like that on the stamp. So just got loads and loads of different things you can do with that.
Because even though it's an around the world theme, it really lends itself. I mean, you would think like, oh, travel cards or but no, it lends itself to like all occasion cards and masculine makes.
Absolutely, we've got some really cool travel cards in there. Like I say, and whenever you see the papers, you've got some really cool retro style, like passporty type things. But if you don't want to do that, if that's not what you're kind of jonesing for today, you've got some florals, you've got lots of other different things. So there's so much to play with, which brings me to the pretty papers. So I think I'm going to go through them.
I'm most excited, I think, about the papers. They're stunning.
They're really beautiful.
Yeah, and we're going to flip through them so that you can see them up close. We have this great ideas magazine that shows us how to use everything that's included in the kit. Can we take a closer look?
Absolutely. So the kit is worth over £40, which is, it's kind of amazing. You get all of that in the box. But some of my favourite designers have really gone for it and shown us some lovely masculine, feminine, just all occasion makes, everything that you could wish for. So I really, really love this feature from Nikki Gilbert, who has gone cards for all occasions, but full on travel. It kind of makes you think of like 1920s tour of Europe or some such thing. So we've got lots of bon voyage, lots of really, really, really pretty uses of the toppers and the papers. And check out this old felt like passport.
Oh, how cute!
I know, I love it. It's really, really cool, and it's a really nice way to show you how to use all of those parts together. She stamps because she's the editor of Great Stamping Magazine.
Yes.
She uses the paper, she uses the dies. It really, really brings it all together for me, and I just think it's so beautiful and so versatile. I think that's probably rivaled with the technique feature for my favourite, which is from Ingrid Vichova, who again is a regular contributor to all of our papercraft magazines, but she's done kind of a beginner's guide to heat embossing. Now,
nice.
It's one of those things, if you're confident and comfortable with it, then that's totally fine. We've got some really great inspiration from her anyway, but if you're not, really, really cool kind of step-by-step guide showing you how to do it, how to follow exactly what you can do. And her cards are perfect. We love one of them so much we put it on the cover. And they're so pretty. And she's got some gold and just loveliest colours. The palette is beautiful and they're so clean.
And I think heat embossing is one of those things that can be really intimidating. So it's nice to have a guide and step-by-step instructions and also some inspiration for what you can the look that you can achieve.
I think this is the key. I mean, you kind of look at these things and say, oh yeah, crafters can do this or that, but you pick up this box, you think, oh, I want to make some cards. Step by step, you can make some wow cards in no time at all. And I think it's great. I think it's a really, really nice feature from her. So we've got kit worth 40 quid, which is amazing. And you'd think that we're not going to be any more generous than that, but actually we've got a fantastic giveaway for readers. £500 worth of dies by Chloe, stamps by Chloe, and look at these glitters by Chloe. Absolutely beautiful. 2 of you have to win, so find it in the mag and try your luck.
Now you can pick up your own copy of Die Cutting Essentials Special Edition Box Kit number 8. You can get that at a few places. You can get that at craftstash.co.uk, moremags.com.
And you can also pick it up at craft stores.
Nice. Well, thank you so much, Kirsty, for joining me for this unboxing. It was really fun to take a look at these goodies.
Yeah.
Everything that's included
It's
in
amazing.
that kit. Wow.
Have fun with it.
Yes, I will. I'm going to.
And thanks so much.
Yeah, thank you everybody for watching. We'll see you real soon. Bye.